Hello traders, thank you for joining GemForex. In this tutorial, we're going to instruct you how to manage charts in MT4 platform. Charts allow to analyze price changes at the market and are used for graphical analysis, building of various indicators and live studies. Charts are a very valuable instrument for analyzing of financial market. The chart window is located in the center of the screen and it displays the historical data of currency pair symbols. In this tutorial, we will focus on the options for managing the chart panel by right-clicking the section panel. A drop-down menu box will appear with several options. The first noticeable option is called Trading, which allows you to open a trade on a specific symbol or set up a pending order at a specific price value, depending on your mouse cursor position on the chart. One of the key features in MT4 is one-click trading. If you want to create an order or get into a trade very quickly, then one-click trading is the best solution for you. By clicking and selecting one-click trading, then adjust lot size over here, and just with a single click on sell or buy order. In this example, I would like to sell USD and JPY. Just clicking at once to open your trade immediately. The next option is Expert Advisors. This is only enabled if you have previously attached Expert Advisor on the chart in Navigator, and it helps you to adjust their properties, remove or backtest them. You can adjust the period of chart itself in the time frames option, or simply pick up the time frame on the toolbars at your convenience. Moreover, you can save what you have trained into the template. To demonstrate the template that have previously saved, select Template and click on the template that you have saved. This will not change the layout, including all the indicators that have previously loaded into the chart. To add more indicators, click on Indicators in Navigator window and even double-clicking it to add indicators, or by dragging and dropping into the chart, like so. Additionally, drag and drop enables you to have the two indicators in the same window. In this example, I choose Money Flow Index to add to the available indicators on the chart. Just drag and drop it into the window. As you can see, the two indicators are now overlaid in the same subgraph. If you don't like them, right-click and select Delete Indicator window. By clicking the refresh button, you can refresh the chart window. Another option is toggle the grid on and off, or Ctrl+G according to your preferences. Furthermore, you can display the volumes, which indirectly represent the market activity by pressing the volume option button. If you wish to save specific screenshots of the selected chart, you may use the Save as Pictures option from the drop-down menu, or you can print it directly by using the print option. You can also change how your chart looks like by right-clicking on the chart and selecting Properties or F8 on your keyboard. In the Color tab, you can adjust the color properties according to your references. The color scheme reflects yellow on black, green on black, black on white. By clicking the Comment tab, you have more additional functions such as changing the display type of the chart, or make choices of the scale of the display chart, or enabling or disabling the chart shift, or auto scroll. The most noticeable features of this tab is the Display Adjustment section, where you can enable the display OHLC indicator. These indicators will show the value of open, high, low, and close prices for a specific time period. Another option is to see the object description by ticking the Show Object Descriptions. By pressing Reset, you may bring the setting back to the default state. Now, let's see how you can create objects in your charts. The Object toolbar is located at the top of the Market Watch panel. Alternatively, you can use the Insert tab of the client terminal. Let's draw a horizontal line by holding down the left mouse button and releasing it to the referred value. Once the object is attached to your chart, the new option called Object List will appear in your drop-down menu. This is where you can manage your existing object. You can choose to delete an existing object or edit the settings. To edit an object, you need to select it first and hit the Edit button located on the right side. When you click it, the new window will open. In the Comment tab, you can change the name and description, which would be displayed as long as the Show Object description is ticked. Here, you can change the style color of the object. In the Parameter tab, you can adjust the value, while in the Visualization tab, you can choose the time frame in which the object should be displayed. By default, this is set up to be displayed in all time frames. This concludes the GemForex tutorial session on chart management. Thank you for watching.